Everyone, today I'm here with this gorgeous 2017 Ram 1500 Bighorn, and it has a tow package, your bed liner, bed cover, and so much on the interior. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this gorgeous exterior color. It is called a blue streak clear coat, and you have all of this just gorgeous blue color, tons of chrome in the front with your Ram badge in the middle. You have got your halogen headlamps right there with fog lamps below and a front sensing system so that will alert you if there's an object right in front of your vehicle. Plus you have those two tow hooks. Looking underneath the hood, this does have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine, so super powerful, perfect for towing things behind you. And you've got these 20-inch chrome-clad aluminum wheels, very bright and shiny and gorgeous. Looking up, this does, yeah, okay. Okay. This could fall under our certification, and if it does, it would be our 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 3-month, 3,000-mile max care coverage, and more. So if you want to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woodys, and one of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Over to the side, you've got these black side mirrors. These have those indicator lights on the side, and they are powered and heated with your tow mirrors, so you can easily see into your blind spot. Then looking down, you do have these wheel-to-wheel running boards, so they give you that extra step on the end so you can get up into your bed easily. And you also have keyless entry. So looking at these seats, we have these gray cloth seats. They have that pattern insert down the middle, and they're heated, so perfect for those winter months. Your driver's side is power adjustable. And then looking over to your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, hands-free voice communication controls, and cruise control settings on the front with your media controls on the back. And then looking over to your media center, you have an 8.4-inch touchscreen brought to you by Uconnect, so you have all your navigation options right here, so you can plug in an address and get to your destination quick and easy. You can also connect your phone using Bluetooth and make or receive phone calls right there. All of your climate controls here are dual, so you can have the exact settings you want on each side. And Uconnect has tons of other things you can subscribe to with all of your heated seats and steering wheel buttons right there, and your backup camera, so you can have easy visibility behind your truck with kind of a nice way to line up any trailers you have or anything right there. You can also hook up your own media devices or listen to the radio, and you can subscribe to satellite radio if you choose to. Down below you have all of your radio and your climate controls in a button form there with buttons to turn on and off your front and rear sensing systems, all of your heated buttons plus air suspension, and your trailer brake right there with your 4-wheel drive on that side and a 115 volt on the other. Tons of room here in the center, 2 cup holders. You do have a 12 volt there, and then looking into your center console, you have 2 USB ports and an auxiliary port, and then you have even more room underneath for larger items down there. Looking up, this does have 911 assist, which is subscribable, universal garage door openers, and controls to your power sliding rear window and your sunroof. So get some light and air flowing through this truck. Super nice. So let's look at that back seat. Okay, looking in this back seat, you do have room for 3 passengers back here comfortably, and you have this cup holder armrest that can fold down with 2 cup holders, and you also have 2 more cup holders right here on the floor, so if you have a person sitting in the middle, then you can still utilize those. Split bench seating, so you can fold that up. There is storage underneath, or you can fold this out to have a flat surface right there with additional storage in these floor compartments, so you can take it out, remove it, clean it off, put it back in. So perfect for anything messy, or you could put some ice and water in there or something right there. This also has more storage on the sides with these Ram boxes, so they are lockable storage compartments. Open it up, you can see this a nice amount of space. These also do have drains in the bottom, so if you get liquid in it, you can just drain it right out. And then making your way around the side, you have your 4x4 and Bighorn badging, tons of chrome in your bumper with your rear sensing system. So it's just like the front, it will alert you to objects behind your vehicle with your tow package right there. And then looking into your bed, you have your nice bed liner and your bed cover, so everything's nice and protected with that bed divider right there, so you can move that to different spots to have everything nice and secure where you want it. So, I mean, love this truck. It's gorgeous, has all those features in your front seats, those heated seats, that sunroof, plus tons over here in your bed. So if you want to see this Ram 1500 or any of our other trucks, visit us at WowWoodys.com or come check out our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.